Grand Rising, everyone. So we slept overnight last night with the homeless. It was peak. It's rough out here. It's a harsh reality, but it's a real reality. People are sleeping in these type of conditions all around the UK, all around the world. We've got this gentleman here also. He's preparing himself to rest up as well. Yes, people, so we're outside right now. I'm just tucked in right now. We've got some people there, they're up. This is where we're chilling out tonight, people, yeah, in Crawley. You understand? A good vibe, said way. The mission continues. Humanity matters, everybody. It's rough, it's hard, it's daunting. You understand, people? So I'm showing you that this is the living conditions here. This is how people have to sleep. You understand? Unprotected, without no roof, without no shelter. Yes, people, so yeah, man, I have to jump up out of bed. You understand? Because it's late. And when it's late on the roadside, it's cold out here, boy. I'm speaking very low because I'm still up. As I can show you over here, there's people up. You understand? People spend the night here. Look at the conditions.
There's enough of us here tonight, so it's not like we're by ourselves, yeah?
It's true.
But if I was out here by myself,
yeah.
I wouldn't sleep. I'd be insomnia, paranoid.
Everything.
I don't want someone to throw a drink on me, kick me in my head, urinate on me, or do some violation that happens every single day up and down the country in every country that there's homelessness.
It's true.
So probably in my head right now, I'm looking at my little space, and I'm like, yo, this is my section. Is this my section right now?
Everybody's got their section.
I'm sorry.
Yes, everybody, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. Something very different tonight. And we have to put the challenge on people, yeah? So if you're watching, wherever you're watching from, thank you very much for being a part of our journey and for being a part of the movement, everybody. Ringo.
Can't come tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I bought you a bag of stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Some spaghetti and wraps and...
Oh, thank you very much.
All right.
Cheers, thank you very much.
Okay. All right.
This is where we're staying tonight. So we just done the pot of soup. We're going to get up in the morning and do breakfast.
Well, that's just tomatoes and...
Yeah, no, we appreciate it all.
All right.
Yeah, thank you very much, yeah, and we appreciate it.
Yeah, all right then.
Cheers.
Very much.
I can't get here tomorrow, so I did see on Crawley Talks that you were here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, look at that, people, yeah. Big up yourself. We're there. As you can see, that we're not lying, no joke. We're camping out tonight, and this is where we're staying, people, yeah. The kitchen's right here. Yeah, that's my legs all covered up in my sleeping bag, people, yeah. I got a bunk bed, yeah, and these lot just got a normal bed.
I've got a good mattress, man. Yeah? I've got good mattress.
I'm alright, I'm more chill.
Si?
Yeah.
Well,
Very comfortable chair, Si.
Alright, a good vibes, people, yeah. I'll see you guys in a little while. Let me just tuck myself in. Terry, big up yourself for my Ringo Vision hat. I got it on, yeah. One love, and each and every one of you, one love as well, yeah. A good vibes. It's a real reality, people, so Si and Lucky it's taking an early night cap, and some people's come out to see us. It's late at night right now. It's a real reality, and the factor of actually being out here is cold. It's daunting as well, because could you imagine, yeah, like after a while you have to be very strong-minded, Adam, yeah, because like the cold messes with you, the elements messes with you, like the breeze, the cold, the water, and not just that as well, just hearing noise consistently. That's the worst factor of it.
Coldness of the concrete.
Yeah, and also the coldness of the concrete, people, yeah. So we're just outside right now, and we're gonna be camping here tonight. It's late at night, you know, right now, yeah, but some people actually come out to see us. So yeah, man, big up yourself, one love. I'll be showing you what's going on throughout the duration of tonight. Look, I'm already got my what's this, a blanket or my cover? I got my cover. I got my cover, people, yes, I'm good. Yeah, I'm outside. Yeah, you understand? That is it, a good vibes. Benji.
Yes, Ringo.
Yeah, man, a good vibes. We're outside.
You come to Crawley.
Come to Crawley.
Yeah?
A good vibes. So we're just outside, still right now, people, yeah? The streets of Crawley is very, very much quiet right now, but we're still up. A few locals from the town is just passing through Sedway, just showing you what I go on. People still sleeping. We're playing to Bob Marley in the background, slowly and quietly. Well, quietly. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up yourself, everybody. We're here, Sedway. You understand? I'll just keep you guys up to date. I'm gonna tuck myself in just right here in a little while, so. And I'm just up right there, so people. A good vibes. Yes, people, so we're outside right now. I'm like, just kind of like, just tucked in right now. So the camera on Adam, yeah, man. This is where we're chilling out tonight, people, yeah, in Crawley. You understand, a good vibe, Sedway. The mission continues. Some people out here. It's a real reality, people, yeah. It's actually a real reality, you understand? But a good vibe, Sedway. I'm freezing cold, you understand? Baba, what going? How does it feel to be out here?
I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit if I wasn't with all you guys, I'd be nervous.
Yes, everybody, this is where we are tonight. You understand? And we have the kitchen where we said way, and we're outside, and the mission is real, people. Like I said, we're out here with the kitchen, and we're deep on the mission, and we're there, and we're gonna spend the night right here, people. Yeah, it's a real reality. You understand? Some people are sleeping really rough out here. You understand? And it's hard. It's freezing cold, and people are sleeping on cardboard, concrete floor. You understand? People need support out here, people. Yeah, if you're watching this video, you understand? It is really real. I'm out here tonight, so I'm here in my sleeping bag, just to come and check it out to see what it's really like. You understand? Yes, people. So yeah, man, I have to jump up out of bed. Understand? Because it's late, and when it's late on the roadside, you have
Cold out here, boy.
you have to jump up out of bed.
It's getting cold out here.
Can't just lie down. It's terrible. I don't know how these lot do it. I don't know how they do it, because you know what it is. I got up out of my bed.
Listen, you know what though as well?
Yeah.
There's enough of us here tonight, so it's not like we're by ourselves, yeah.
It's true.
But if I was out here by myself,
Yeah.
I wouldn't sleep. I'd be insomnia, paranoid.
Everything.
I don't want someone to throw a drink on me, kick me in my head, urinate on me, or do some violation that happens every single day up and down the country, in every country that there's homelessness.
It's
So
true.
I have probably in my head right now. I'm looking at my little space, and I'm like, yo, this is my section. Is this my section right now?
Everybody's got their section.
I'm sorry. Like, I don't know what made me decide to do this, but we here now, man.
It has
We
to be
going
done.
through with it. We
Yeah,
going through
has
with
to be done. Look, Adam's set up.
Yes, brother.
Yeah.
How's it going? How's it going? All good?
Adam's got a bunk bed terrated.
Is that how you going on? That's
Yeah.
prime real estate right there.
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to the crib.
You got
But
one more space if someone wants to join us. We've got another little empty spot over here.
Got empty spot
You
there.
know? You rent that out.
We got two. There's an empty spot just there.
Oh, okay.
We make it sound fun, yeah, but in all reality and in all aspects, it's if you're in this condition and you're in this situation, we make it fun because we're trying to make fun out of a situation that everybody in the UK or around the world is facing in some type of way. Do you know what I mean? So we're just putting a joy to just give ourselves the vibes. And I could imagine that people that are facing this type of condition, they also do things to keep themselves in the vibes, whether it's drinking, whatever it is. And it's a good thing that we're individuals that are not on any form of substance, not affected by mental health, and we're well. And we can go through this experience to see the challenges of life that a lot of people around the world are facing. Look, Adam's
Yours for tonight. And also, once you convert it, you do a little bit of this, you do a little bit of that, and we've got a bedside table. That's the one.
So it's not a joke, yeah. And this is it's a harsh reality, but it's also a real reality as well. Everybody, it's a harsh reality, but it's a real reality. People are sleeping in these type of conditions all around the UK, all around the world. It changes in different places you go. Do you understand?
We're out here doing it tonight.
And this is where we are.
We're out here doing it tonight.
We're out here today, bro. It's bad. I'm trying to.
We've got this gentleman here also. He's preparing himself to rest up as well. And it's a reality. And he is actually homeless and facing all the tragedies out here, like weather conditions. I gave him food tonight. You understand, people? Yeah, so it is real. It is real. And the factors of life, let's just be humble and let's just spread love. And that's it. That's the real reality. Let's be humble and let's spread love. You understand? That's what it's all about.
What you got there, son? Here, we're by Gatwick Airport, so there'll always be work. We've got Manor Royal, good industrial estate.
It's very bad as well.
45 minutes
Very
from.
bad.
Bro, everywhere's getting bad. We just the reason it's going bad is because we're not doing the good that we're meant to be doing.
It's true. It's true.
Everyone stepped up because there's not. No, 1 second. Not everyone is a bad person.
No, they're not.
There are bad people, but if all the good started doing more good, the bad will just naturally have no choice to just get out of the
Why
way.
should this happen?
Like,
Why should they be homeless?
that's because of Keir Starmer and everyone else. Not here because problems been here for a long time. Huh?
I mean, empty buildings.
Yeah, of course, but
You know,
those
I
are.
said the other night, I'm not lying to you. My mum got
What the gentleman is saying is that there's loads of empty buildings all around Crawley, and not just Crawley. I've seen loads of empty buildings all around Croydon, in various different areas, whether it's shops, whether it's derelict. We're outside of Mark and Spencer's that was once here. So this whole building here, look, is unoccupied right now. It's got lights turned on, so they're spending money on electricity. They're spending money on electric, said way, but it's empty, look. And we're out here sleeping underneath it. We're actually sleeping underneath a shop that's been closed down. It's empty. What do you think, Adam, would be a procedure? Look, an empty building. Do you think there could be like a security and a steward, like facilitating some form of, even if it was everybody sleeping on sleeping bags, but you're in an inside environment?
Stick everyone in the bedroom, man, you know what I mean?
Mate.
Even the big downstairs, it used to be at Marks and Spencer's, but now it's just nothing.
Nothing.
Even inside there, it's quite a big land area.
Yeah.
Inside just this bottom floor,
Yeah.
sleeping the homeless. 50 to maybe 70 people.
See?
Like minimal. And that's just sleeping, and then you got one side kitchen, one side lounge area, one side where people are sleeping.
Yeah.
You could have 4 different spots, one side for one thing, one for another.
It's true.
It's a shame the building
A lot can be done, people. Yeah. There's a big building here. This is going to waste. Well, at least we know, we can see that it's been there all day. Ain't been used. High street's empty. We're out here, said way, our good vibes. Yes, everybody, it's early hours at the morning, said way, but we're out here. I don't want to speak too loud, you understand, but we're there, as I said way, camping out in Crawley overnight. Everyone is sleeping, look. The morning lights have just come on. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. You understand? Some people are going to the gym. Just sit on some hot water for when everybody wakes up. Don't want to talk too loud, everybody. You understand? Our good vibes. Yes, people, our good vibes. I got a double hat on. Cause guess what? It's freezing cold. The night was daunting. It was long. Listen, the people them that are sleeping rough on the streets, they need help. I just done a night, people, yeah, and it's no joke. You understand? I'm still a bit chilly, but I have to keep, one of the main things is keeping your feet warm as well. And the cold does not stop. You know when you're at home and you get underneath the covers or you warm yourself up and you're a bit too hot. Out here you can't get too hot, especially when it's cold, people. You understand? Look, we need to support, you understand, humanity. Everybody that's out here going through a tough time. You understand? 10 people might be going through a tough time and 100 people might be alright. Listen, even if the 100 people come together and use half a percentage of their energy and time and effort and they all come together, you get a look at 10% for the 10 people them. That's still good. You understand? That's still good. We just want a look of support. You understand? We all matter. You that's watching this program, you matter also. You understand? I matter. Everybody matter. Everything matter. You understand? Don't get it twisted out here. It is peak. It is rough. It's dangerous. That's the main thing about it, people. It's so dangerous. I couldn't shut my eye last night. Cause guess what? I'm on edge. I don't know who's passing. I don't know who's who. Look, we're on a high street. You understand? It's busy in the daytime. You understand? You don't know which bad man people that's out there that might want to urinate on a homeless person, that might want to take liberties with a homeless person. You don't know who's gone to a nightclub that's coming back and drunk and acting a fool. You just don't know. So it's the protection of the universe itself and the creator that's guiding us out here. You understand, people? We're not out here alone. You understand? We're out here together. You understand? And most of all, we're out here with the all. Look, the all, the universe, the Most High. You understand? The energy that I'm breathing in right now, wherever you are, you're taking the same energy, which is called air. You understand? Which is called life as well. And that thing there, I've love in it. So, you understand, people? We're out here right now. A good vibe said way. I just want you guys to just support the movement, push the movement, and it is rough. We've got some people there, they're up. Understand? We've got Sion Lucky there. We've got Adam. We've got one person there. We've got the next person there. We've got a few people out here tonight sleeping rough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and myself make 10 people. We're out on the streets. You understand, people? So I'm showing you that this is the living conditions here. This is how people have to sleep. You understand? Unprotected, without no roof, without no shelter. Let's try and help those that are in need, people, yeah? Look at my man there twisting and turning because it's cold. Look how Sai is sleeping because it's cold. Some people are sleeping like this. Half a sleeping bag. You understand? And just a jacket. And when they get up in the morning, they get up in the cold. They don't get up in the warm, they get up in the cold. You understand? It's just their goodwill and their strong power that keep them going. You understand? Grand rising, everyone. So we slept overnight last night with the homeless. It was peak. It's rough out here. I'm speaking very low because I'm still up. And as I can show you over here, there's people up. You understand? We all spent the night here. Look at the conditions. Look, it's cold. It's peak. I've got up first thing and then I sit on the pop because we're going to make some breakfast, some hot tea, hot chocolate or something. You understand? Big up everybody that's on the movement with me. You understand? We're out here. Our good vibes. The mission continues. Humanity matters, everybody. It's rough, it's hard, it's daunting, it's cold. So if you can support. There's a lot of homeless people out here and no one should be living like this. Look where we are. You understand? but one love. These people are good vibes, you know, so we're still there, so. Bare homeless people out here, people, so we camp out here last night, right, yes, sir? I got the kitchen here. I turned on the kitchen early. There's a lot of homeless people. It was peak last night. If you ever see how cold it was, you understand? Look how much we sleep here. I sleep right, yes, sir, with the homeless people, them last night people. Understand? Just to get the experience of what's going on out here. In them a time, them a thief and a robber. Me no want them to fight them life. Yes. We have to help the youth them today, not tomorrow. Cause we have to fight for them life. Me say no for them a thief, no for them a liar. Yes. We have to look out for the youth them today, not tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow might be too late. Hey, we there up on the roadside. Yes, brother. I got hot water in the pot. No, I'm okay. Everybody big up yourself. So we've completed an overnight here in Crawley. You understand? A good vibe said way. Big up yourself, everybody. And I've set up the kitchen already first thing in the morning. We're going to be making some oats porridge today, first thing in the morning, people here. And we've got a whole load of shopping here. Thank you to a lot of the local people from Crawley. They've been supporting us as well. We've got eggs, we've got all sorts right here. You understand? A good vibe. How was the night?
Bad. Excuse the way I look. I just woke up. That's it. It was an experience still.
How was the night?
The good life.
Nice experience. Nice experience in the street.
Look, it was a good night. It was freezing cold. It was an experience, everyone. You understand? Even the road sweepers out here cleaning at the roadside. Big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that's been here on the journey with me. You understand? We've done a night over. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Please share the video. You understand? We also got some people that's here sleeping. You understand? We're gonna start just making up the breakfast now and start giving out some food. One love to each and every one of you people here. Good vibes. You don't know. Say look, I doubled up on the hats. Don't watch nothing. I doubled up, tripled up on the hats. You understand? Because it was a cold night last night. You understand? And it's a cold morning. But guess what? The mission continues, people. One love. Good vibes, big up yourself. I see you again in a short while. That is it.